our way to the first test of the year, Donington National. Finally, been waiting a while. All locked and loaded. Should be good. Should be good.
Ready to go. What are your thoughts?
Yeah, I'm really excited. That's all I can really say, to be honest. It's been a month. It's been a month since I've last been on a bike, so I'm just looking forward to getting back on it.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town.
You look good.
Stupid.
Stupid?
Sorry, stupid.
No. Good morning all. We are here at Donington Park. It's currently 8:30 in the morning. We're out at 9. We have 4 sessions today. The weather's looking alright. We've had a few spots of rain, but aside from that, it should be good. Yeah, we're just having some morning breakfast, if you will. I've just had a protein shake. Matt Home's a bit messy, but Paige is having a morning cup of coffee.
Morning juice.
Yep. It's all done and prepped. Been on the massage gun, and then we've got this baby on the bike today. So
We've got our masks as well. Not allowed out the motorhome without them. So I don't know where yours is. Do you know where yours is?
Nope.
Because yours is your Fraser one. Is it not in here?
Oh yeah, my. Check it out.
Yeah, we've got this.
Oh, and a Fraser mask.
This bad boy. I can model it for you if you want.
Very cool. Very, very cool. I was going to say something else, but I can't remember what I was going to say. I'm going to sneeze anyway.
Corona. Corona.
Oh yeah, the merch. Yeah, so.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
For any of you.
This is the merch.
This is F Racer merch. Gives it a little turn from behind. Let's pull that down. F Race on the back, 66. CameronFraserRacing.com. Make sure you stay tuned, because some of this will hopefully be available on my website very soon, but I'll keep you guys updated, and when it's ready, make sure you buy some. So yeah, not a great start to the day. I had a little off after 7 laps in session 1. Bit of a already, but no, I don't really know what the conditions were like. It was quite windy. Yeah, so hopefully the bike will be sorted for the session in the afternoon. Leathers are a bit messy on this side, so gonna have to get another set of levers out. Helmet's all good though. Paige eating some crisps.
Is that how you spell Craners?
Yeah, or Craner. But yeah, literally I think it's just the wind. The wind picked up. Other than that, it folded really quickly, so I wasn't really pushing, to be fair. So yeah, a bit frustrating really, but hopefully we'll just take it easy in the next session or 2 and just get some laps and get comfortable again. So only managed to do 3 laps in the last session now. We've got 1 session left of the day, so we'll see how I roll. That's all I can really say.
We've brought a new member to the crew.
To the F Racer squad.
Sophie, Shazia, come to support.
Yeah.
Hi guys, and welcome to our vlog.
Well, we're still not continuing where we were.
I know. We're just going to give you a quick update of Donington test, as we've not really been vlogging. Cameron can explain why in just a second. So yeah, it's just a brief update. We're just now going to collect some wheels, so all can be explained when Mr. Cameron Fraser decides to speak. So, what happened at the Donington test then, Cameron?
Well, unfortunately, I had not 1, but 2 offs at Craner Curves. Curves? Do you know which one that is?
Craner Curves.
Well, either way, I had 2 offs there, both over I think 150 15 miles an hour.
Right, stop trying to make yourself look, look cool.
No,
just
it
'cause
was.
you had a big one.
It was a big, well, 2 big ones. First one was kind of okay. Damage wasn't too bad considering it was Craner.
It was pretty much just the handlebars.
Just handlebars and fairings, and then the second one, unfortunately, was
Everything.
very bad. Could have been season-ending, to be quite frank. But thankfully, with a reduced season, we can pretty much afford the repairs. But yeah, other than that, we're running around trying to get the bike and all the parts ready, so we can hopefully race in a week's time. I mean, we're also waiting on my hand at the minute, which is, it's still a little bit swollen, but we're getting there.
Yeah, it's getting better. We're seeing some veins now in the hand.
We're seeing some veins, which is a good sign.
Seems to be okay with most things, just a bit of the grip really, isn't it? Which is kind of the main thing that you need.
Yeah.
But
we've got
you're doing exercises and stuff like that, so
that's basically what the latest is. We're currently going now to drop some wheels off.
No, to pick some.
No, sorry, yeah, to pick some wheels up.
So
that have been straightened.
So basically, when was the test? Tuesday. So are we going to explain everything that happened? So on Tuesday, when the test happened, well, when the crash happened, we kind of knew that there would be a lot of running around, didn't we? There was a talk about us having to go to the Netherlands to chassis factory because the swing arm and the frame needed to be checked and repaired to see if anything had gone wrong with it. But luckily, we have some very nice friends, GT couriers, who were very kind enough to sort us out and help us out with that. So the swing arm and chassis have all been up to the Netherlands at chassis factory. Wait, is it the chassis that went?
Chassis.
It is, yeah. So that's what they come back with. So that's okay. It can all be repaired, which is good. So it's going to come back to us on Monday.
No, chassis was a write-off.
Okay, chassis was a write-off. But we're
so we need a new.
We're getting a new chassis,
which thankfully they already had built up.
So that's okay. So we are getting everything returned. We're getting all of that returned on Monday. We had to get the forks sent off to K-Tech, didn't we? And they were one was a write-off and the other one was kind of repairable. So they're being sent back to us hopefully quite soon. Then we had the wheels. So we sent the wheels off to be straightened, which we're actually now currently going to pick them up at the moment. And then just little other things like the exhaust needed to be replaced, the radiator needed to be replaced.
You can see it adds up.
Yeah, all the fairings as well. I think we salvaged 3. I think it was the seat. One a belly pan, and my dad said something else, but I can't remember what it was. So
in positive signs, we know why I crashed.
Yeah,
because we had the data, so at least we know what I did wrong and how to avoid it going forward. But obviously, crashing is part of the process.
As I saw on MotoGP, they were telling Alex Marquez, you can't be a great rider if you don't throw the bike down the road a few times.
Yeah, exactly.
So that's what Marquez does as well. So maybe we just got a new Marquez on our hands.
Yeah, maybe.
But fingers crossed we'll be back racing for Donington, but we're not entirely sure at the moment. Obviously, it just depends if Cameron can pass the fitness test at BSB. But I'm sure you'll give it your all. But you'll know regardless, even if you pass the fitness test, you'll know whether you'll be able to ride or not. You're not going to put yourself or any other riders at risk. So
no, exactly. There's no point doing that, especially when you've got other rounds after. It's not like. Yeah, well, no, I guess we'll just see.
Yeah, we could just see what happens, and hopefully you've learned, which you have.
Yeah. video a few other bits. And feel free. So, as mentioned earlier, with all the frame and everything, that's arriving today to Mark Sadler's. So I'm just dropping off some wheels this morning, and yeah, hopefully the bike will be fixed, ready for the weekend. It is now the Monday the 3rd, and obviously we'll hopefully be riding on Friday. I do have to pass the fitness test, so hopefully I can do that, but yeah, so far looking good. But yeah, I'm just about to leave. So as this video comes to a close, I'd just like to say thank you to everyone that's been involved this year, and for everyone helping in supporting me getting funding for the crash. And if you're watching this and you do want to be involved, please feel free to get in touch with me at racercam66@gmail.com, or I'll leave my email in the description. So yeah, I'd like to say a massive thank you to Oracle Contractors, Talent Surprise, Fairburn Heating Solutions, Silkaline, obviously the team, Nova Racing and Go Racing Developments. They've been working very hard in trying to get the bike organised and basically ready for me to ride on Friday, hopefully. RST, without their suits, I could be a lot more worse for wear, really. Obviously I suffered a big crash at Craner, well, not once but twice, and both times the airbag suits went off, so yeah, big thanks to them and their technology for keeping me safe. JDL Motorcycles, Whiz Racing, Vroom Media, Chassis Factory, and I'd also like to say a big thank you to my mum and dad, Paige, Mandy, who has helped provide some funds in order to get the bike fixed, so a big thank you to her. And lastly, I'd like to say thank you to GT Couriers, because they also gave us a big hand in transporting the frame and the swing arm over to Netherlands to get checked out by Chassis Factory, and then back over to the UK again, so we can get ready for potentially doing this race weekend. Also, if you made it this far, be sure to like and subscribe if you're doing me a favour, and also be sure to cop some F-Racer merch, and again I'll leave links in the description below so you can go and check that out. Peace.
I've been flying from town to town.